Welcome back to Dad's Expensive Hobbies, where scale meets muscle and every detail counts. Today we've got something that screams 80s street style and American muscle, the 1985 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 from Jada's Big Time Muscle in 1/24 scale. Dressed in a bold red finish, this Camaro has pure street presence. The custom deep dish wheels tucked under the lowered stance give it that mean look, while black graphics on the hood and fenders highlight its aggressive body lines. The wedge-shaped rear glass, squared-off front end, and long doors scream 80s Camaro styling. Up front, you've got the iconic four-square headlight design with clear lenses, a blacked-out grille, and that unmistakable Camaro nose, clean, sharp, and all muscle. Pop the hood and you're greeted with chrome engine details and red highlights, bringing some serious flash to this 1/24 scale. Jada made sure the engine bay wasn't forgotten. Every collector loves to see those little touches. Inside, it's all black. Bucket seats, steering wheel, and dash gauges. Simple, functional, and true to the Camaro's 80s vibe. This 1985 Chevrolet Camaro is a time capsule on wheels. With its slammed stance, chrome deep dish rims, and classic 80s design, it's a standout piece in the Jada Big Time Muscle lineup. Thanks for tuning in to Dad's Expensive Hobbies. If you're into diecast cars, trucks, and monster machines, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment on what ride you want to see next on the turntable. Until then, keep diecasting, and God bless.